When you need to install GoLang on your Windows 10 PC, this video will guide you. To begin, open any browser from your computer. In search bar, type GoLang in one word, then press enter. In results page, click the one from go.dev. This will take you to the official Go programming language website. Once you are here, click on this download button. From here, you will see different options depending to the operating system you are using. For Windows users, click on this Microsoft Windows option. Download process will begin. Just wait until this complete. After download complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the installer. Then, double-click on it to launch Installation Wizard. When you're on Welcome screen, click on Next to continue. Read License Agreement, accept it, then click on Next. There is no need to change installation path, so just click Next again. When you are ready, click on Install. Installation process will begin. Just wait for this process to complete. When installation complete, click on Finish. To check if Go is installed, open Command Prompt. Then, type this command and press Enter. If you see Go version displayed, it means Go has been installed successfully. So, that is how you can install GoLang on a Windows 10 PC.